Mark Twain said, "The difference between the almost right word and the right word is the difference between the lightning bug and the lightning." Powerful language fills your writing with energy, which impresses your teachers or readers. Here's how to use power verbs to make an impact. Let's look at some examples from the chapters of First Flight. The original simple sentence has been modified with power verb /s. Are you ready to witness the impact of power verbs? What's holding you back? Let's get started.